Y'all want to know what a big green egger's best friend is? When you've been cooking meat on the grill all day, you got to serve a side, and you want to cook a side quick and easy, timed up, and not really have to worry about it too much. Is a way to quickly and easily make a side dish. The Ninja Foodie is the perfect pair for like a big green egg or a Komodo Joe, where you're always into smoking meat and brisket and pork butt and that sort of thing. You need a good, quick, and easy side. You want to focus on, you know, cooking the barbecue, not so much the side. And the Ninja Foodie makes it so easy, right? You just pop in your vegetables, hit like 3 buttons, start, and then come back in like 10 minutes and you're good to go. So we use the Ninja Foodie around the house all the time. Great product. We love it.